Hi everybody, today we're going to unbox and start up the Husqvarna 525BX commercial grade leaf blower. The first thing you're going to notice is a 3-language owner's manual inside the box, along with a wrench and a torque screwdriver that you're going to need a little bit later in the assembly process. What's great about this particular unit is that it comes with both a flat and round adjustable length nozzle. And finally, way down at the bottom, you're going to find a small bottle, 2.6 ounce or 77 milliliters of 2-stroke 50-to-1 oil. You're going to mix that to a gallon of gas. For the great unveiling, the Husqvarna 525BX commercial grade leaf blower. So with the unboxing out of the way comes the assembly. It's one screw. You're going to attach the primary nozzle into the power head, and then you're going to tighten it up with the Torx screwdriver that you found earlier in the box. With the primary nozzle piece in place and tightened up, now you're going to decide on whether you need the round or flat nozzle for your application. Snap that into place. And there you have it. Assembly is complete. Your Husqvarna 525BX is ready to go. So to fill it, you can choose to mix your own fuel and oil, or in this case, I'm using the pre-mixed stuff from Husqvarna. So now that you're all fueled up, the next step is to push the priming bulb 10 times. That draws fuel from the gas tank through the fuel lines and into the carburetor. So that's done. Now, unlike other models, the Husqvarna either has choke on or choke off. To start it up cold, you're going to make sure that the choke is in the up position. Give it a firm pull, and there you have it. With a 2-year warranty, anti-vibration and cruise control, this Husqvarna 525BX is a tough one to beat. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, appreciate it if you hit the like button.